Leo joined the family as an 8-week-old kitten and was mom's cat at first. Dad never wanted a cat before, but when Leo came into the family, his heart changed. Leo was always by Dad's side, like a tiny tail that followed him everywhere. Their favorite hangout is the couch, where Dad often shares his food with Leo or repairs Leo and Camper's toys.
Aww.
Leo loves to go sledding, and Camper is always happy to be his trusty sled dog. Dad makes sure to bring Leo along as many adventures as possible, cherishing every moment and building the best memories. Whether exploring the depths of the forest or splashing in the waves of the sea, Dad and Leo are the perfect travel duo. Leo loves the snow, so Dad and Camper often take him outside and pull him in a sled. Leo loves riding on Dad's back, following him wherever he goes.
Are you sorry you scratched him? Oh, yeah.
And of course, Dad showers Leo with plenty of hugs and kisses, making sure he knows he's loved. With Leo in their lives, Mom and Dad have a happy pill right in their house, filling their home with joy. There's something enchanting about cats. They have a wonderful power to capture our hearts and make us adore them. Wouldn't it be wonderful to have a loving and playful cat like Leo? That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.